Hi, this is ZTE Blade A51 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. So let's check. We got here some paperwork like the quick start guide with the safety information and the warranty card. Also, we got here the USB Type-C cable, the earbuds, adapter, the original ZTE charger with all of the specifications, and also we got here the SIM eject tool. So that's it. That are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.